Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to open your Snapchat account following these simple and easy steps. So let's dive into our video. Let's begin from our home screen. You have to open your Snapchat application. You will get to see this interface. You have to click on sign up option. Then you got to type your first name and your last name. Click on continue. Here you have to put your date of birth. At first column is the day, and in second is the month, and at the last is the year. Then click on continue. Here you can see the Snapchat has provided you a username. So if you want to type in your own username, click on change my username. Then type in your username, then click on continue. Now you have to set a password for your Snapchat, then press on continue. Type in your email address and click on finish. If you want to put on your phone number, then you can type in your number or you can skip it. Then you will see this interface to create your Bitmoji. Select your desired Bitmoji. Click on continue. Now here you will get to choose your outfit. So press on choose outfit. You can choose various outfit for your Bitmoji. Just select one of them and click on save. So now you have successfully opened your Snapchat account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.